Hello dears, Namaste and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. As you all can see, today's recipe is for all the seafood lovers, chili fish. This is simple and quick when you want to make and eat something different and delicious in no time. Let's make it in the restaurant style. Today I'm planning to have it with steamed rice and omelette. So I will be making chili fish with gravy. Mouth watering. Can't wait to start. I'm holding the fresh and tasty Norwegian salmon here. As we all know, salmons are rich in protein and also one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids. They decrease the risk of heart disease, so make sure to include them in your diet. If you want to know more about heart-healthy foods, then click the link in the iCard or the first link in the description below. I have cut them into smaller chunks and cleaned them thoroughly. I am using salmon. You can use any boneless fish for this recipe. Time to season with some spices. First goes in salt, then chili powder, pepper powder. Add them as per your spice preference. Next goes in ginger garlic paste. Add corn flour and plain flour and a little oil. Cornstarch will create a crisper coating that will hold up to the sauces better and will absorb less of the frying oil, leading to a lower fat meal. I used olive oil. You can use oil of your choice. Add a little water and then combine everything well using your hands. See to it that all the spices and flour are evenly coated to the fish pieces. Heat a pan and add enough oil for frying the fish. Generally, the fish is deep fried, but I prefer to shallow fry them. So it's again up to you. Once the oil is hot, keep the heat in medium and place the fish pieces on the pan. Make sure not to overcrowd them. Keep flipping them over when each side is done and fry them well. This is the second batch. Fish is now ready. Let's work on the gravy. For this, I am using the leftover oil I had after frying the fish. To this, add finely chopped ginger, finely chopped garlic, then goes in chopped spring onions. Onions that are diced in cubes, bell peppers that are cubed as well. I have used colored ones today. You can just use green ones based on your availability. Saute them. Remember that they don't need to change color. You still want them to retain their shape. I have added green chilies for that extra spice. Season with some salt and then add a little sugar that's essential for this recipe. It's time for the entry of the chayo. Add in our friendly sauces: tomato ketchup, chili sauce, hot sauce and soya sauce. Not to forget vinegar for the tangy flavor. Give it a good mix. Add enough water for the gravy and let the veggies cook. Add white pepper. Meanwhile, to thicken the sauce, mix a tablespoon of corn flour in half a cup of water. Stir until smooth and lump-free. Whisk the slurry into the hot simmering gravy. Immediately add fried fish into it. Combine well. You can still adjust the consistency of the gravy now by adding more water. That's it. Your flavorful chili fish gravy is all done. Garnish with spring onion greens and you are all set for a hot and yummy meal. I'm having this with steamed rice and mixed veg omelette today, and this combo tastes heavenly. It didn't take me much time to prepare this dish, yet this meal is so satisfying that my son and hubby weren't tired praising. Hope you all liked this recipe. If you did, then please subscribe to my channel, ring that bell and select all to get notified on upcoming videos. Do give this recipe a try. Like my video and share this with your family and friends. Take care, stay safe, stay happy.